Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producing. In today's lesson, we'll be going over the second track of my 10-track YouTube remix contest called Eyeliner. You can download the stems and Ableton project file for this shit song in the video description below. Then you could use the stems to create a remix to submit to my Discord. I will then comb through all of your remixes and find the best of the best. The winner will receive a free private lesson, a sweet Discord role, and get their track posted on my YouTube and social media. If you like the idea of the contest and want to support me and my pursuit to get a mic stand, please hit the subscribe button and feel free to share this video with your favorite uncles. So without further ado, let's go ahead and break down Eyeliner. Wowzers! Okay, so check it. Eyeliner was created in collaboration with my best brother, Tyler Aaron Superstar. The track was originally made for a band called Marin 5, whom Tyler and I used to shoot hoops with at the local sports center. The Marin boys loved the track, especially main Marin Adam Levine, who took quite a liking towards Tyler. Because of Adam's off-colored sexual advances, we decided to end our working relationship with the band. The track begins with the sweet, somber pad, Wowzers, and the way I made this pad, very simple. All I did was I took a bell sound, or a chime sound from a vinyl record, turn up the attack. We didn't want the sound to come on too strong, not like Adam did on the basketball court. And to make the sound go on indefinitely, I used the sampler's loop feature to take just this very small portion of the sample and also use the fade parameter to make it nice and smooth. Wowzers, and that's how I got this pad sound. And then later on, of course, we add Tyler's sweet guitars. And in the background, you'll notice the soft pitter-patter of Uncle Joe's grandfather clock. And of course, we just decided to include this here, this sound right here, just to symbolize the impending doom of the human race. That's what indie rock is all about. Wowzers. Now, as far as the drums go, it's very simple. Just a real simple boots and cats that Derek played. I mean, he's not that intelligent. This is about the best he can do here. And then we just went ahead and added Tyler's live hi-hats to really give it some life. And you'll notice on top, we have a bunch of other melodic layers. First off, this damp guitar sound. Now, upon the surface, the damp guitar looks and feels real, just like Adam Levine's good-natured personality. But then you start digging a little deeper, and you realize that it's all a sham, okay? This damp guitar is completely fake. I'll take off all the effects and show you guys. Turns out it's just Ableton's built-in tension instrument making the pluck sound. Then I've run it through the clean rhythm funk guitar amp preset inside of Ableton. Some acoustic cascade to kind of give this nice phasing effect, as well as a little bit of reverb, and of course, my favorite plugin of all time, the Camel Crusher. Wowzers. Then I went ahead and duplicated the sound on both left and right channels, panned them slightly left and right. And notice that halfway through, these sounds sort of diverge into their own spheres. Just split, just like my parents did. They didn't need to take care of me anymore. I'm a big boy. Okay, Wowzers. Now, in addition to that, we also have Sweet Sally here coming in on the background. Okay, what a beautiful woman. Now, even someone as beautiful as Sally needs a little help every once in a while. So we just went ahead and applied some serum underneath. This is just a synth that's playing the exact same line but fading in and out to give the melody some movement. And of course, underneath all that, Tyler's electric guitar comes back in Very simple technique, same one we saw with the damp guitar. Just 2 takes that I've panned left and right and glued together using the OTT and glue compressor. Make it sound a little bit brighter and more present. Wowzers. Well, you tell him, Sally. Now we break it down once again, a little bit of a tick-tock. Okay, wowzers. Here's a breakdown. And what's interesting about this is we've actually replaced the synth bass used throughout the track with this live electric bass that Tyler plays. Some electric guitar on top here. Now this is my favorite part of the track right here. You know, Tyler and I have a very loving, kind relationship. We finish each other's sentences, each other's gruel that we feed each other for breakfast, and also brush each other's teeth. And just like we do in real life, it's a bit of a call and response. So, you know, for example, I asked Tyler to take out the garbage. Okay, that's what I'm saying here. And then, you know, Tyler's like, oh, well, I need to paint my nails first. And I'm not having it. You really need to take out the garbage, Tyler. Okay, it's really important for me. And he's like, no, I'm going to go play basketball with Adam Levine. And it's just a microcosm of our relationship. And you'll notice that underneath each layer, I've also layered this terrible synth underneath the guitars to kind of give it some life. And wowzers. Okay. I really hope you took out that garbage, Tyler. It's really important to me. Wowzers. Okay, so check it. Once again, you can download the stems and Ableton project file in the video description below. And be sure to submit your remix to my Discord by March 4th. I'm Underbelly. Have a great